Hello, good afternoon, good morning, good evening, depending on when you are seeing the video and also where you are seeing it from. Today, without wasting my time, we'll be looking at calculation with time, and our main focus is going to be on addition of time. Okay, so for example, I leave home around 13 minutes past 6 in the morning and spends about 45 minutes on the road. So 30 minutes past 6 in the morning, spends 45 minutes on the road. And the question is, what time am I going to be at school? Okay, so with addition of time, let's quickly look at 13 minutes past 6. So 06 hours, 13 minutes, okay, in the morning. And I spend 45 minutes. So that means that plus 45 minutes. Okay, so this is one thing that we have to also look at. Okay, we have the hours on one side, the minutes on one side. All right, so with the addition, we go by the normal addition and subtraction that we know of. Okay, there is only an instance whereby we are going to break those laws and bring in our time laws. Yes, that is how I put it to all children. So in this case, 3 plus 5 will give us 8. So we write here as 8. All right. Then we have 1 plus 4, which gives us 5. So our minutes will be 58 minutes on this side. Okay, hours, we have 6 plus 0, which is still 6. So that means that if I leave home as early as 13 past 6 in the morning and I spend 45 minutes on the road, I'm going to get to work around 2 minutes to 7, or we can also say 6:58, 6 hours 58 minutes. All right, then fast forward. What of if my minutes goes above 60 minutes? What do I do with that? Okay, in class, sorry. And how do we deal with such an when we get to the crossroad? How do we deal with it? Okay, so supposing I leave, let's say someone leaves work around 7 hours 45 minutes. Okay, and the person spends 53 minutes on the way. So the person spends 53 minutes. So let's see, 53 minutes. So we have 53 minutes on the way. Okay. So in terms of hours, the person is spending 0 hours, but only 53 minutes on the way. So how do we deal with this? Okay, let's go the same way. We are not breaking any rule here. 3 plus 5 gives us what? 8. Okay. It is only in grade 4, grade 3, we learned that when you get 60 minutes, it gives you what? An hour. 60 minutes is equal to an hour. So since we cannot say that this plus this is 9, so I have the person will get there maybe the 7th hour, but the minutes will be above 60, 98 minutes. Yes, we don't want to go that route. So what do we do? Remember that we were taught in grade 3 and grade 4 that 60 minutes gives us what? An hour. So here the only rule that you have to follow is this. When you add 4 to 5, you get 9. But the 9 that you are getting, remember that this is also in tens. Okay, so it's more of you getting 90 minutes. So out of that 90, you take 60 out. Okay. You take 60 out. So this is giving me 9. I take 6 out of 9, which leaves me with what? With 3. But someone may ask, why are we taking 6? We are taking 6 because 60 minutes gives us an hour. So that will come to the hour side as what? A remainder that is going to be added to the hours. But since it was 60 here, when it comes to the hour side, it gives us what? 1. Because 60 minutes gives us an hour. I hope it is clear. Okay, let me go over it again. Okay, 5 plus 4 gives me 9. Okay, that gives me here to be 98. But that means that I am breaking the law of time, simply because I cannot be having a watch running 7 hours, 98 minutes. So all that I need to do is that instead of going 98 minutes, let me take 60 out of it and add it to the hours. Okay, so the 60 that is being taken is from the minutes side, which is going to be added to the hours side. So 60 minutes gives me an hour, so it will be plus 1. So here is going to be 1 hour plus 7 hours plus 0 hours, which will give me what? 8. So it's going to be 8 hours, 38 minutes. Alright. If you have any question pertaining to this, subtraction will also be done. I want the video to be as short as possible. Then you can also try your hands on this one as quick as possible. Let's see. Okay, we have 8 hours, 51 minutes. 8 hours, 51 minutes being added to 9 hours. Okay. Or let's go for 1 hour. 1 hour, 47 minutes. Okay. Can just pause the video for some few minutes. Try your hands on it and let's see how it will go. Thank you. Let's see if you were able to get it or not. 1 plus 7 gives us what? 1 plus 7 gives us 8. Note that we are still dealing with the minutes. Then here, 4 plus 5 gives us what? 9. But remember, we are going to take the 6 out of the 9, leaving us with what? With 3. Then the 6 that is taken, remember it was in the place value of tens, so it is going to be what? 60. So the 60 coming all the way here, it used to be 60 here, but coming all the way here will be what? 1, simply because 60 minutes gives us 1 hour. So 1 plus the 8 will give us 9, plus the 1 gives us 10. So we are going to have 10 hours, 38 minutes. Thank you so much. Just share the video for someone to also benefit from that. And if you have any questions, my number is on the screen. So contact me. I'll sort you out. Thank you.